Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want a faster contactless way to fuel up at Sam's Club? The Sam's Club app makes getting gas quick, easy and hassle-free. No need to swipe cards or press buttons, just scan, pay and bounce. First, download the Sam's Club app on your iPhone or Android device. Next, open the app and tap on the scan and go icon. At the pump, simply scan the QR code displayed on the screen. Choose your preferred payment method within the app. No need to touch the keypad, just pay right from your phone. Once payment is confirmed, begin fueling as usual. When you are done, your receipt will be sent straight to your email for easy record keeping. And that's it. A simple, fast and touch-free way to fuel up at Sam's Club. Download the app and try it today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.